I don't need to market on social media because my customers don't use it.
Oh my goodness. You say this all the time. A lot of business owners will make decisions based on them and what they do and how they operate and what things they like and don't like. And with all due respect, it's not about you. You really do have to pay attention to who your customers are, know them really well, know your targets, and make sure that you're creating messaging and content and things that matter to them.
Yeah, absolutely. And, I'm not a big social media user, but the majority of the world is,
We
right?
were just looking at that graph.
Yeah.
What was it showing you this
like
morning?
billions of users on Facebook, like literally billions, and on YouTube,
Globally.
and yeah, like so globally. So I mean, that's where, like it or not, that's where the audience is. Now they might not be using Facebook. Maybe they're on LinkedIn. Maybe they're on Twitter. Maybe they're on Instagram, and that's part of the job, is to find where your audience is. Yes, your market is on social media. We just got to find
Absolutely.
what channel it's on and then market to them correctly.
Or which channels?
Channels, correct.